Hello everyone, it's Sayuri here. I teach Japanese here on italki.com. Today, I will be talking about how to have a natural flowing conversation with native Japanese speakers. Do you feel like Japanese people often interrupt you mid-conversation? Do we nod too much? When we nod and do aizuchi is to go responses or to make that conversation go smoothly. It means, yes, I'm listening to you. Please continue. However, it doesn't mean I agree with you. Actually, at the beginning of my English journey, I was afraid to have a conversation with native English speakers because they saw my eyes during the conversation instead of nodding or saying something. So, how is the Japanese way? I will tell you some aizuchi in this video. In formal situations, はい、そうですね。そうですか。そうなんですか。In casual situations, そうだね。そうなんだ。へー、そっか。マジで。Alright, so how can you improve your aizuchi skills? There are words for male and words for females. So please watch Japanese TV carefully and then have an actual conversation with native Japanese speakers. Give it a try. You can meet a lot of friends and Japanese teacher on italki. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe italki YouTube channel. Take a lesson with me italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description. Thank you. Bye.